switch? Oh, that's why. When the fan...
Feel it. It is. It's hot. It's hot.
Watch my hand here. Twist it a little bit. Look at that.
Man, stuck in there. Jesus Christ.
Hey, little kitty. Ooh, look at that. Whoa! In this video, I initially thought that one of the rollout switches had tripped. It turned out it's a loose Molex connector on the board. And sometimes this will happen, where after years of the board sitting on the blower and the slight vibration happening, the Molex connector actually gets loose. Take a look at how I remedy this without getting a new board. Like and subscribe. I decided to come today just because I've got so many people calling, you know. Oh boy. That would have been bad. Alright, let's see what I got here. There we go. Much fun. Ooh. Always some obstacles to deal with. You don't want to ever scratch a car.
It's a little warm in here right now because I've been cooking all day, but I'll show you some of the vents so you can feel them.
Seems like it's on.
Yeah, no, it's on, but like if you feel the bathroom and upstairs.
Oh, do you want me to come upstairs right now? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me let me put this down. See what's up. I'm terrible at this. Trying to document some of these for just for posterity at this point. Look at that. We got air rushing out of here, and it's only 65 degrees.
And so here's the main reader over here.
Wow, look at that. I can feel the air. 65, wow.
Like you can see they're running down here.
What about any other vents?
Upstairs is cold also.
The air coming out is cold.
Mm-hmm.
Because it sounds like it's on.
Right here.
Yeah, see, look at that. 68. Yeah, I mean, like when you turn the thermostat up, you don't get more heat. It just tries to run longer. As soon as like it's on full blast. Mm-hmm. It's not like a car. We press the gas and you get more. That's cold too?
Right here. Yeah.
And the only reason you think you're warm in here is because of these heaters? Really? Just sounds like the furnace is running. I mean, it sounds like the actual gas is on too.
Not even like 2 weeks.
And that did nothing?
No.
Like, have you been waking up and it's like really, really cold?
Heaters are running.
How many do you have?
2. There's that one there and one upstairs.
Yeah, still only 66 degree air. It sounded like it was on to me, though. I mean, the blower's on, but it sounded like the gas is running. Let me go take a look at this furnace. Yeah, that's a separate thing.
Right, that's what I think.
Is it a good temperature for you? Because there's a way to adjust that that's real easy if you want to see it. There's also a vacation setting you should know about. If you ever left for like an extended period of time, you can turn that down so you don't heat up all that water for no reason. Oh, look, the vent motor's running. Ah, but we don't have any flames.
There's no flames. Sure sounded like the flames were on for some reason there. I guess I should have checked that first. Ah, where's my other... What, did he take the damn thing? And it figures. Ah. Well, you know what? Here, let me do this instead. Alright, we are getting a code. See the red light down there? 2, 3, 4 code on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that blinking? Yeah, choose a 4 code. Generally, that's a limit switch, but on all furnaces, they usually have a key. Four flashes. Open limit switch. Jeez, can I get that? Open limit device, actually. See, they got the little thing right there where it says what the flashes are on the right. Okay. And that kind of points a tech in a direction. Sometimes the board is bad. Oh, look, we got a light this time. I think it was this. I think it was this one that just popped. And probably, when did it go out for you?
It's never worked. Or it's never given like more range.
See now the light down low? See how the light's blinking constantly, a rapid flash?
Yeah. So is it automatically?
Yeah, this has a, see this right here? That's a glow plug. And the glow plug takes the place of, like, you know, you think of a pilot, you got to light the pilot or something. That's not the case. It glows red hot and then lights the gas. So now if we look here, flashing slow, flashing fast, normal, call for heat. That's it. I pushed this in and you didn't hear a click, but I felt it move. And I'm going to monitor this to see if it's this or was it the wind that did it. Just barely see the flames there with this. It was this right here. Alright, the filter was in backwards. We turned that around. I just shut it down. I'm just going to wipe this out. I'm going to oil the bearings, clean the flame sensor, and then we'll run test it extensively. Alright, I came back down, and it was blinking the 4 code again. The main was okay. The rollouts are okay. I'm like, what's going on here? The Molex connector, right there, where it connects into the board. I put this on there to just pull it aside and pull it into a different angle. It wasn't making a connection. Now it's made the connection and we're still running.